In this video, we're going to solve for the equivalent ratio. So if we have a problem like this that says find the number that makes the following ratios equivalent, and we have 1 to 5 equals 5 to something. So the first step, to find an equivalent ratio, multiply or divide both numbers in a ratio by the same value. So we would multiply or divide these two numbers by the same value to figure out this ratio. So let's compare the two ratios to figure out what number we need to figure out to multiply. Okay, so these are the two numbers, the two ratios I mean. And now you need to ask yourself, what do I multiply 1 by to get 5? So I know that if I multiply 1 times 5, I will get 5. So now we know what number to use. So now we multiply this side by 5 to find the value of question mark. So we take 5, multiply it by 5, and that will give us the answer to question mark. So 5 times 5 is 25, right? So 25 is the missing number. So 1 to 5 and 5 to 25 are equivalent ratios. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't get it right away, you could just rewatch the video. As well, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.